friends out in the world. This is your Christina's Dance World team coming to you. Everybody, this is our Monday 4:30 to 5:30 p.m. adult jazz class. We have so much fun, and we want to invite you to come on in the building. Come on in and dance with us, or you can just stand up right where you are and dance with us from our videos that we do, not every week, but a lot of times. You can scroll through our social media on Facebook and Instagram, Christina's Dance World, and dance with us online. But if you're in our community, we would love, wouldn't we love to have you? We would love to have you come join us. So get on in here. Come on, let's go. We've got a little routine for you today we just learned. Hit it, Paige. I was thinking about something, and it's something that people tell me all the time. They always say, "Oh, I would love to come to your classes because I love dancing, but I'm just so afraid that you're going to turn the camera on." Or they say, it's true. Or they say, I'm not that good. I love to dance, but I'm not that good. Well, let me just tell you something. Every one of these ladies have had their very first day of dance, right? We all have our first day, and you don't have to be good to want to dance. We are the most welcoming group of ladies. They are so sweet. And if you come in and you're a little nervous, we make you feel really comfortable. And don't think we walked in and just did this, on the spot. We have to work towards it. We have to learn it, and we break it down, and we get you comfortable and make you feel good. And just so you know about the videoing, you sign a waiver. When you come to Christina's Dance World, you sign an injury liability waiver, and you sign a waiver whether or not I have permission to put you on video or in photos on my social media. So if you don't want to be on the video, I won't put you on the video, I promise. But we would love to have you come join us anytime. We have a lot of great adult classes here. Go to CHRISTINA'S.com to see our adult fitness boutique schedule. Love you guys out there. Bye. Say bye, everybody. We have Beverly, Jan, Mary, Renee, and Paige. Bye. Hi, Debbie Kicklighter. See you soon.